I don't have the data, and it could be the case that I'm in a bubble, but it seems to me that the majority of UK and European investors, and probably you, are using Trading 212. It has incredibly competitive fees on its Invest and ISA accounts, just paying 0.15% on foreign currency conversion or FX fees. It has an easy-to-use interface. It has over 13,000 global stocks and ETFs to choose from. If you were to launch an investing app, this would be some incredibly tough competition. But is Trading 212 now unstoppable? In this video, I'll talk about some features that I think Trading 212 is missing. Hello and welcome back to the Dividend Experiment, the channel that helps you build a portfolio that pays your bills. The content that we discuss is intended for information and educational purposes only, and should not be considered investment advice or investment recommendation. Whenever you invest, your capital is at risk. Now, before we get started going through the various features that I think Trading 212 is missing, or might consider adding down the line, I just wanted to remind those of you who either don't have a Trading 212 account yet, or opened it recently, that you don't want to miss out on the welcome bonus. I asked Trading 212 if they could give me a unique code that you guys can simply type into the promo code section, capital at risk. So if you've opened a new account recently, or planning to open an account, then here it is. DivXP or DIVEXP, short for the Dividend Experiment. So you have 10 days from opening your account to type this in and receive shares worth up to £100. I also get something as this is my custom code, so this helps you support the channel too. Okay, now that's out of the way, let's start with the first one. Trading options. One of the most heavily requested features on the Trading 212 forums is the ability to trade US style options. But what is it? Options are financial contracts that give the investors the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price before a specified expiration date. There are two main types: call options, which provide the right to buy an asset, and put options, which grant the right to sell. Investors typically buy call options when they believe the asset's price will rise, and put options when they expect it to fall. If you watch US YouTubers or even post on Reddit using investing platforms such as Robinhood, you'll likely see them using options, and many people believe it's a shame that one of the most popular investment apps on this side of the pond doesn't allow for doing this. So how can you do it? There are other investment brokers that do allow this, for example Interactive Brokers. On Interactive Brokers, options trading starts by selecting the asset you want to trade, such as stocks or ETFs. Then you decide whether you want to purchase a call or put option based on your market outlook. After that, you specify key parameters including the strike price, the price at which you can buy or sell the asset, and the expiration date, when the option expires. Once you've set these details, you can execute the trade using Interactive Brokers' powerful and highly customizable platform. Now, this is not really what I would call a beginner strategy, so definitely worth reading through the guides on the platform before jumping in with this. But the option, see what I did there? To do this is out there. Trading 212 have said they're thinking about doing this, but there doesn't seem to be an actual timeline on this, so let's see. Moving on to the next feature that Trading 212 is currently missing, different tiers of user. On Trading 212, every user essentially has the same level of access, which is great for simplicity. Even beginners can access features and benefits the same as the more experienced users. But if we look over to other brokers, even banks, there is some benefit from being a higher value user on the platform. For example, to compare, we can look over to eToro's own program, eToro Club. The eToro Club is a loyalty program for clients offering 5 membership tiers: Silver, Gold, Platinum, Platinum Plus, and Diamond, based on a minimum tier balance of $5,000. Each tier provides increasingly valuable benefits such as access to webinars, dedicated account managers, interest on balances, exemption from withdrawal and exchange fees, and access to premium financial publications. Higher tiers offer exclusive perks like invitations to sporting and cultural events, premium debit cards, and participation in prestigious Diamond events. Membership is automatically granted based on the client's tier balance, enhancing their trading experience with tailored services and tools. To progress through each level, you need a certain amount of capital in your account. So for Silver, it's $5,000. Gold, it goes up to $10,000. Platinum, you need $25,000. Platinum Plus is $50,000. And then for the best tier Diamond, you need a massive $250,000. So for example, I have Platinum access and I get a free Wall Street Journal subscription, finchat.io subscription, among other things I use quite frequently as I make this channel, so it's beneficial for me. Would this work on Trading 212? I'm not sure really, but it would be nice to be rewarded for holding more money on the platform. And while we're on the topic of eToro, there's another feature that it has that Trading 212 doesn't have: copy trading. The biggest misconception with the pie feature, in my experience, is that you can copy the pie and then chill out as it makes the moves. That's not how it works. It should be thought of as a template to copy, but then it's still your responsibility to maintain it and make changes yourself. Copy trading is more like the way people think pies work. Copy trading is a strategy where one trader mirrors another trader's positions or portfolio when they make trades, live. It's particularly helpful for beginners who may lack the experience, time, or commitment needed to analyze the market themselves. This can be done manually or through automated systems. The traders being copied are often, in theory, seasoned professionals with extensive market knowledge. eToro provides detailed stats like the trader's historical performance, risk score, preferred assets, and even their trading strategy. There are some downsides which I covered in this video, so I won't rehash all that again as you can just watch that video. Now, this does seem like quite a complicated mechanism really, so I can't see Trading 212 going for it anytime soon, but I could be surprised. Let's move on to one that I do think is definitely in the pipeline. The SIPP, Self-Invested Personal Pension. Why am I so confident that SIPPs are in the pipeline? Well, Trading 212 have basically confirmed it. Haven't seen anything about a rollout yet, but definitely seems like it's on the later stages of development if we take that comment at face value. So what is a SIPP? A SIPP, or Self-Invested Personal Pension, is a type of UK pension plan that gives you more control over how your retirement money is invested. Unlike regular pensions, a SIPP lets you choose from a wider range of investments, like stocks, funds, or even property. It's a good option if you want to be more hands-on with your retirement savings. You also get tax benefits on the money you put in, and your investments can grow tax-free until you start taking the money out, usually from age 55 or rising to 57 in 2028. But what if you want a SIPP right now to take advantage of the annual tax benefits? One of the best value SIPP providers in the UK right now is probably InvestEngine. Investors might choose InvestEngine for their SIPP because it offers low fees, with costs capped at £200 per year, and commission-free investing for DIY portfolios. It provides an easy, hands-off experience with automated investing and savings plans, making long-term investing simple. The tax-efficient nature of SIPPs means that you can enjoy significant tax relief on your contributions. InvestEngine allows investors to buy cost-effective ETFs, offering simple diversification. The more tax-advantaged accounts available to us common folk, the better, really. Oh, and I should say there's also a sign-up bonus for new users signing up to InvestEngine. By signing up via the link in the pinned comment, you'll receive the welcome bonus of up to £50 when you invest your first £100. Capital at risk, T's and C's apply. InvestEngine offers a focused, low-cost investment experience with no FX fees, as all its ETFs are traded on the London Stock Exchange in Great British Pounds, unlike Trading 2, which applies foreign exchange fees for currency conversion. Additionally, InvestEngine further differentiates itself by providing both a managed portfolio option at a low 0.25% annual fee and a commission-free DIY option, whereas Trading 212 only offers DIY trading without a managed portfolio feature. On top of that, as an ETF-only platform, InvestEngine ensures a naturally diversified investment approach, while Trading 212 offers a broader range of assets, appealing to those who prefer more variety, but may not benefit from the same level of simplicity and diversification. And while we're on the topic of InvestEngine, they have another feature that Trading 212 is missing. It might be a little niche for this audience, but if you can utilize it, it could be a huge benefit for you and your business accounts. If you have a business, you can actually use InvestEngine to invest the spare cash within the company structure. With InvestEngine, you can start building your investment portfolio with as little as £100, choosing from a variety of options, capital at risk. You have access to global markets, allowing you to invest in top companies through popular indexes like S&P 500, MSCI World, and the FTSE 100. Why is this good for business owners? There are two primary use cases for InvestEngine's business accounts, and these are utilizing your VAT and corporation tax. Business owners typically put tax money aside ahead of time, ready to pay it when the time comes. VAT is typically paid once a quarter, while corporation tax is typically paid once a year. During these periods, this money is idle, and business bank accounts may pay little interest. Instead, you can put the money to work in a low-risk money market fund or bond ETF. The other use case is long-term investments for business owners. Rather than paying out business profits in the form of dividends and being subject to dividend tax, business owners can invest business profits pre-tax and use the investments later in their life. Situations will differ from person to person, but many people have little income after retirement, so their dividends will most likely be taxed at a different, often lower rate. Now, that might not apply to you if you don't own a business, Let's move on to the last feature or ability that I think is missing from Trading 212's current repertoire. It's a controversial one: crypto trading. Love it or hate it, crypto trading is a big part of the investment landscape now, and most of the current investment platforms in the UK or Europe do not offer it on platform. Coinbase, however, not only offers a broad range of crypto assets, but it also provides additional features like staking for certain cryptocurrencies, and even a Coinbase Visa card that lets you spend your crypto like cash in everyday transactions. According to a YouGov survey, Coinbase is the most trusted platform in the UK for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. Coinbase is a popular and user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange that allows access to over 200 crypto assets. It allows easy top-ups via your bank without fees, and you can also withdraw funds directly to your bank account, provided it's crypto-friendly. Coinbase has additional features like its crypto wallet and debit card that lets you spend your cryptocurrency wherever Visa is accepted. You automatically gain access to Coinbase Advanced, which offers lower fees and more trading options. For UK users, fiat transfers via bank are quick and fee-free, with only a small charge for withdrawals. Now, as you'll know if you follow the channel for long enough, I'm not much of a cryptocurrency trader really, though have held some at various points previously. With crypto exchanges getting hacked or revealed as scams, I feel better going for a trusted brand here. Also, if you do sign up to Coinbase using the referral link in the pinned comment, I should mention that you earn some various cryptocurrencies for doing some learning activities, and you'll see what I mean by learning activities if you do sign up. Conclusion. Despite the lack of these features mentioned here, I still believe that Trading 212 is simply the best platform for the majority of users and majority of use cases. I've been pretty consistent with that belief for a few years now, and it'll take quite an impressive feat from another platform to completely unseat Trading 212, in my opinion. That being said, if you did need any of these features mentioned in this video, you'll need to go elsewhere at present, and the suggestions for where can be found in the pinned comment. And don't forget, since the beginning of this tax year, if you're from the UK, then you're entitled to open multiple ISAs. Previously, we were only allowed to open and contribute to one per year, but now the rules surrounding it have become much more free, meaning you can try out different platforms, even if you have started an ISA elsewhere. But did I miss anything else? Is there something else that Trading 212 doesn't have that you're using another investment platform for? Let me know in the comments. If you liked this video, and if you made it this far, I'm guessing you probably did, then I have some good news for you. I'm giving away my PDF guide to the 10 dividend investing commandments, or the criteria that I use to pick dividend paying stocks, and I'm giving it away to you for free. All you need to do is submit your email in the link below and it'll get delivered to your inbox straight away. Again, that's for free. But that's not the only benefit of joining the email. You also get updates on the almost daily dividend portfolio, interesting stock ideas or news, and special deals and free stuff that I can share with you. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. See you!